Hey there, everyone. Welcome to the design studios of Pro Event Planners. This is Melody, CEO and founder and creative director of it all. Today, we're featuring a tablescape that is all about spring. And spring is a time when, especially if you've lived in a cold area in the world, you're just anxious for spring to come around because it gets warmer. Flowers are blooming, there's butterflies and birds everywhere. So this tablescape represents that. So we're going to start off with a chair cover that is a white crushed shimmer with a matching sash and a peony bouquet as a sash tie. On top of that chair cover is a chair cover sleeve that is made from 3D leaves and flowers. There. On the table is a glass charger that is clear in the center, and the rim is about a 2-inch deep green color, embossed for texture. Adorning the white napkin is another peony bouquet. And I just want to point out that one of the glasses on the tablescape is green to kind of coordinate with the theme and add a touch of themed elegance to what's going on the table. The base portion of the centerpiece would be these mini hurricane lamps with peonies, and then the pièce de résistance would be this floral ceiling installation of the centerpiece. Now this is all silk flowers, and the design is more in a color gradient. So we start off with brighter colors and then go into softer colors until we get to white. So we have fuchsias and pinks, purples and lavenders in different textures. Then we go into the greens. There we go. Hydrangeas. And then white. The backdrop, I kept it simple because it's today's tablescape is all about the centerpiece. And for events where budget is no concern, these can be quite a feat to set up because banquet rooms typically have 10 feet or higher ceilings, and sometimes the room is really large, so you have to get larger centerpieces. So expect to pay a couple $100s a piece for natural flowers that are a little bit larger for larger spaces so that you can get the full effect. Because I do fabulous events on any budget, this is way less than that. If you're interested, give us a call and we'll be happy to discuss this with you. Here's the look. Great for a wedding, bridal shower, women's luncheon, women's mastermind, fundraiser, garden theme party. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Great indoors and outdoors. Looking to add a little spring to your event? Give me a call at 754-246-2231 or email info@myproeventplanners.com.